Bro, I don't trust electrics, fam. Bro, you see these electric buses, when the driver presses full throttle, bro, when the moment he takes the moment he lifts up that handbrake here, the bus is just off, bro. And then it's just like, it's so uncomfortable when they first, like, you know when the driver just full throttles, yeah, and then the bus just first moves off, bro, like, it just shoots off, bro. Like, it's so, like, it's uncomfy, bro. Like, bro, okay, like, you could say that's, like, characteristic and all that. I kind of like it at the same time, but it's a bit uncomfortable, man. I don't like it. I don't like it, bro. But, like, electric buses, they're more, actually, nah. Electrics are nice with fast drivers as well, bro. I can't lie. Electrics are also nice with, bro, I need to start wrecking the 174, because the drivers on that motorway, they speed with them electrics, bro, and no one's wrecking it. So I'm gonna record it, because they're electric ones. Who gives a shit about them? They're electric. I can't lie. I used to be like that, but I've started giving electric buses a chance now, and I actually enjoy them. Especially Raps, bro. Rap have the best electrics, bro. The way they like, the way they brand them, fam. The way they do their thing with them, fam. No other company can beat Rap. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Rapt is the best bus company out there. Nah, nothing beats Aretha. I mean, Aretha can get... Nah, I like these electrics. I like them, fam. They're electric Tridents. That's basically what they are. Electric Tridents. You see the old... Because it's funny, yeah. Oh, man. This is what makes me happy when I realised this, man. Because you see how the 160 used to be a stagecoach before Aretha. And it was using ALXs, man, which are by ADL. And we all know that first Enviros carried on the Trident trend. The ALX trend, and MMCs carried it on, and now the BYDs are carrying it on, and now the MK2 E400 EVs are carrying it on, the ALX trend. So yeah, it's nice to see the 160 back with stagecoach, but using EVs, basically electric Tridents. That's how I'm going to describe them. Except they haven't got the because they're BYD chassis in it, so they're not. You can just call them electric ALXs then. The buses here. Yeah. I'm a smart guy. Thank you. Limp. You see Euro 5 E200s with Limp, yeah? Elysian ones, bro. They sound so good with it, man. When kick's not enabled, bro. Because okay. Because basically, yeah, you see with Limp Euro 5 Elysian E200s, yeah. When they have Limp, yeah, the 2010 plus ones. When they're Limp with no Kickdown, bro, the revs like they do like a like they do. Okay, so I don't know what's with it, but Elysian they've done something with the Euro 5 ones, yeah. Where when they're on Limp, yeah, they do slightly lower gear shift RPM revs than when they have no Limp. Okay, so basically, let me rephrase this whole thing. So basically, Limp Euro 5 E200s with the Elysian gearbox, yeah, when they don't have Kickdown, they do lower revs than the ones without Limp that haven't Kickdown disabled. Okay. So the gearbox is Elysian, right? Yeah. If the thing's on Limp, the gears will shift on lower RPM, yeah, than the ones without Limp on. You get me? Because when they don't have Limp, they rev a bit higher slightly. That's what I'm trying to say. But when they have Limp, they don't like. That's up to the manufacturer that did the gearbox, Elysian, yeah. They've designed it in a way, yeah. If it's on Limp, it does lower revs than if it doesn't have Limp. And it has the Elysian gearbox. I mean, and it doesn't have Kickdown, bro. And it doesn't have Kickdown. Oh my god, man. I'm terrible at explaining this shit. It's because I need to talk slower. I can't lie. I'm talking a bit too fast. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna end it on that one. I'm probably gonna do some exercise before the bus comes. Peace, man.